Which skateboard ramps and rails actually hold up? Simple question, but the answer isn't. Most look the same online, same pics, same claims. But when you actually use them, total difference. Today, we cut through the noise and show you the real winners.
Product number 1, Hailey and Elijah Finger Skate Park Kit. This Hailey and Elijah Fingerboard Skate Park Kit caught my eye because it's not just another single ramp. It's a full DIY setup with 8 ramps, 3 mini fingerboards, and connectors to build your own mini skate park. At $23.99, it's positioned as an affordable gift for kids 3 and up. And honestly, if you want something that keeps little hands busy while building coordination, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fingerboarding isn't just play. It helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and even creativity as kids design their own obstacle courses. The ABS plastic is sturdy, the base slots lock in tight so the ramps don't wobble mid-trick, and everything packs small enough to take on trips. Plus, it comes with a screwdriver and 14 connectors, so assembly is tool-free and fast. Over 1,000 sold last month shows parents are buying it for birthdays and holidays, and it actually delivers on fun. Now, some people might complain that the fingerboards have random patterns, so you can't take your favorite design. Here's the thing though, that's a non-issue for most kids. They care more about grinding down the ramp than what the deck looks like. Also, since it's plastic, heavy adult fingers might feel it flex a tiny bit, but for ages 5 to 12, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you've got a kid obsessed with skate culture or need a screen-free activity that builds real skills. Skip this one if you're looking for full-size ramps or adult-level durability. For under $25, it's a steal for indoor fun.
Product number 2, SkaterTrainers Trick Trainers. That was fun for little fingers, but what if you're trying to learn real skateboard tricks? Enter SkaterTrainers at $28.99. These aren't ramps or rails, they're wheel stabilizers that clip onto your board's wheels so you can practice ollies, kickflips, and more without rolling away. If you want to stop eating pavement every 5 seconds while learning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Falling kills confidence fast, especially for beginners or adults getting back into skating. These patented rubber sleeves fit over your wheels, works on 48 to 70 millimeter sizes, which covers almost every board, locking them in place so you can focus purely on foot motion and timing. You build muscle memory safely on concrete, no more grass or crocks messing up your form. Parents love them because their kids progress faster with fewer bruises, and instructors recommend them because they actually work. Now, some people complained they're skeptical at first. This looks gimmicky, they say. Here's the thing though, once you try it, you get why they're the world's top-rated skate accessory. They're not cheating, they're training wheels for your feet. The only real downside, they don't help with balance on moving boards, so you still need to practice rolling tricks separately. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner stuck on basics or a parent helping a kid learn safely. Skip this one if you're already landing consistent ollies. You won't need them. For $29, it's cheaper than one ER visit.
Product number 3, Wiphany 11-inch metal fingerboard rail. If SkaterTrainers help with full-size boards, this Wiphany metal fingerboard rail brings pro-level detail to mini skating. At just $13.91, it's a premium solid steel flat rail, 11 inches long, 2 inches high, with non-slip mats included. If you want realistic grinding action for your tech deck or fingerboard, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Plastic rails bend, wobble, or slide during tricks. This one, heavy-duty metal with wide bases and rubber grips that keep it locked to your desk. The smooth block coating isn't just for looks, it reduces finger fatigue and prevents rust, so it lasts years. Whether you're a collector, a kid practicing tricks, or an adult reliving childhood dreams, the stability lets you focus on precision, not slipping. Now, some people might say it's too small for full-size skaters, and they're right. This is strictly for fingerboards. Also, because it's metal, it can scratch tables if you don't use the mats. Here's the thing though, those mats are included, and once applied, it stays put. Plus, at under $15, replacing a worn-out plastic rail every few months costs more long-term. This is perfect for you if you're into fingerboarding as a hobby or gift-giving for a skate-obsessed teen. Skip this one if you need full-size obstacles. For the price, it's the most durable mini rail out there. Product number 4, SCWSS Fingerboard Skate Park Set. That rail was great for precision, but what if you want variety? The SCWSS Fingerboard Skate Park Set delivers with 6 ramps, 6 fingerboards, and modular obstacles, all compatible with tech techs. At $29.99, it's a step up from basic kits, and if you want endless trick combinations without buying pieces separately,
this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most fingerboard sets give you one layout. This one lets you reconfigure ramps into stair sets, quarter pipes, or launch ramps, keeping play fresh for weeks. It improves dexterity and creativity, and the compact size means you can set it up in a bedroom, classroom, or even take it camping. With 200 sold last month, it's clear enthusiasts want more than just a single ramp. Now, some people complained the fingerboards feel lightweight compared to premium brands. Here's the thing though, they're functional, not collectible. They do the job for practice and play. Also, assembly takes a few minutes, but all parts snap together securely. No tools, no glue, just pure setup and play. This is perfect for you if you want a complete starter park or a gift that grows with skill level. Skip this one if you only need one specific obstacle. For $30, you're getting serious value and variety.
Product number 5, Yes for All single-piece skate ramp. We go big, real big. The Yes for All skate ramp is a full-sized, single-piece kicker made of engineered wood with iron reinforcement, supporting up to 220 pounds. At $74.61, it's the only full-scale ramp on this list, and if you're ready to take tricks from driveway to air, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Beginner ramps often wobble or crock under pressure. This one has a 24.5-inch width, 12.5-degree incline, and anti-slip texture, perfect for smooth takeoffs and safe landings. It folds for portability, sets up in 4 steps, and even doubles as a skateboard rock. Whether you're into BMX, scooters, or longboarding, it handles real weight and speed. Now, some people complained it's heavy, over 18 pounds, so moving it alone is tough. Here's the thing though, that weight is what makes it stable during jumps. You don't want a ramp sliding mid-ollie. Also, it's pricier than many options, but this isn't a toy, it's training gear. This is perfect for you if you're serious about progression and need a reliable multi-use ramp. Skip this one if you only fingerboard or lock storage space. For under $75, it's built to last years.
So which one's right for you? For kids or fingerboard fun, Hailey and Elijah and SCWSS deliver big play in small packages. Wiphany's metal rail adds pro realism for mini skaters. SkaterTrainers /learning time on real boards. And if you're ready to fly, Yes for All's full ramp handles real weight and speed. No fluff, just what actually works.